Good morning, student. This is class 10th math, and today's thought is function is the heart of mathematics. Because in math there is lot of function like the exponential function, logarithm function, and trigonometric function. These are the main part of mathematics. So you can say that function is the heart of mathematics. Now today's date is this is 11th of August 2021, and it is exercise. This is chapter 7. This is triangle. Yesterday I told you about the triangle, similar triangle, congruent triangle, similar figure, and congruent figure. Now we will study about the sum theorem based on the, since in this segment we only study about the similar triangle and corresponding to its theorem. Here we will study about the basic proportionality theorem. Shortly it is known as BPT, and it is very important theorem, or it is also known as Thales theorem. This is theorem first. You have to write down starting of the copy. This is theorem first. If a line is drawn, from parallel to one side of a triangle. If line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point. Then the other two sides are divided in same ratio. Means you have a given triangle ABC. A line D is drawn parallel to BC. A line D is drawn parallel to BC. Now, according to the theorem, it divides AB and AC in same ratio. Means AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, or AB upon AD is equal to AC upon A. This is the theorem. Now, how can we prove the theorem? It is a theorem. If it is in question, then you directly use the in question. But how can we prove this theorem? This basic proportionality theorem. So, firstly, see what is given. Now write down given. What is given here? You have given triangle ABC in which D is parallel to BC, It is given that you have given that D is parallel to BC and D intersect AB at D and AC at E. It is given that. Now, what you have to prove? So, you have to write down to prove means what is you have to obtain here. This is AD upon DB. You have to prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. You have to prove this one. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. You need to prove that. Now, for proving, we need some construction. We need to construction. So, what type of a construction we have to take in? Firstly, the perpendicular from vertex E on AB. It is a perpendicular. It is a perpendicular. It is a perpendicular. Name as L. Name it as L. And draw another perpendicular from D to AC. Take it 10. This is a perpendicular also. Join CD and B. So what do you do here? You have to write down in step of construction. So construction means firstly join B and CD. Join B and CD. And next one, draw EL is perpendicular on AB. Draw EL. This is the symbol of perpendicular. So draw EL is perpendicular on AB. EL is perpendicular on AB, and DM is perpendicular on AC. And DM, sorry, it is DM. This is DM is perpendicular on AC. These are the points you have to write down before solving the question. Now we could give the proof. Now taking the area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE. This is a triangle. Area of triangle ADE. What is the area of triangle ADE? Is here. The area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE. You know that area can be obtained by using the formula half base into corresponding altitude. Half base into corresponding altitude. You are taking AD, here base is AD and corresponding altitude is EL. So it is half, base means AD and corresponding altitude is EL. So it is half AD into EL. This is the area of triangle ADE. Now area of triangle BD, triangle BDE, area of triangle DB or BD, DBE, DBE, DBE. DB is the base and its perpendicular is outer of the base. This is EL. Means it is also half dB into EL. This is also half dB into EL. Now dividing ADE with dB, you will get dividing first by second. Equation first by equation second. What we get? We get here triangle AD, area of triangle AD upon area of triangle DBE is equal to half AD into EL divided by half DB into EL. Here half cancel. means this is equal to AD upon DB. Take it equation number 3. Now you know that area of triangle ADE is equal to area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ADE is equal to area of triangle AED. Area of triangle AED, this is equal to AED because AED and ADE, this is there, these are equal. This can be written as half, taking out AE as base and DM as perpendicular. This is half AE and DM. This is half AE and DM. Now area of triangle ECD. Now area of triangle ECD. EC is the base. This is half EC into corresponding altitude. DM is the corresponding altitude. AC into DM. AC into DM. This is AC into DM. Now again, area of triangle AD upon area of triangle ECD. This is half AE into DM upon half EC into DM. This DM cancel, half cancel. This is equal to AE upon EC. AE upon EC. AE upon EC. But you know that area triangle ECD, area triangle ECD and area triangle DBE are equal because they are lying in the same parallel. Since area of triangle ECD is equal to area of triangle DBE because they have same base and same parallel. They lie in same parallel and same base. Therefore, putting the value of ECD as DB. So area of triangle AD upon area of triangle DB is equal to AE upon EC. Take it equation 4. If you see equation 3rd and 4th, this is area of triangle AD upon area of triangle DB. This is area of triangle AD upon DB. Both areas ratios are equal. Therefore, their values are also equal. So from equation 3rd and 4th, we have this is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is your result, which you have to prove that. Means if any line is parallel to the any given triangle, this is BC, given triangle, then this line and this line intersect the two sides of a given triangle at the distinct point, then the ratio of the side are same, means AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC.